I'm standing beneath Tsutenkaku Tower in Osaka. This area is known as Shinsekai, or a new world, but this place isn't new anymore. Built over a century ago in 1912 with the idea of to symbolize progress. But today tells a different story. Japan is known for its perfection, discipline, and order. But beneath the surface, there is a society that's quietly facing change. Tonight, I'm exploring culture, people, food, history, and the lesson that Japan can teach to the rest of the world. Japan has its own struggle and a problem. There is a different part of Japan, the aging population, isolation, and the youth that is trying to find the happiness. Let's dive in. The Japanese respect their streets, space, and time. No trash cans, yet spotless streets. But there is a quiet crisis, declining population and aging society. Even so, people work, create, and live with a purpose. Here we have our famous takoyaki with the mayonnaise. Osaka is the kitchen of Japan. Food here is bold, messy, alive. Every dish is handcrafted with the precise and the precision. Let's give it a go. Food here isn't about hunger. It's a sign of respect, precision, and a culture baked into every dish. Whether it's a $5 dish or $50, it's the same experience. She's from Nepal. I'm having a takoyaki mayonnaise. What's your name?
My name is Monzuguru.
Say that one more time.
Monzuguru.
Monzuguru. Which part of Nepal are you from?
I'm from Kathmandu, the capital city of Kathmandu.
The capital city of Nepal, the Kathmandu, yo. I'm coming to Nepal soon. How long have you been working here?
I've been here 5 months almost.
5 months.
Yeah.
What's the biggest cultural difference you've seen? What's the biggest difference between Nepal and Japan? Obviously, Japan is, leading into technology and perfection. So when you blend Nepal with Japan, it's a perfect mix, right? Japanese love perfection and Nepalese love cooking. And how long have you been cooking? 5 months?
Not 5 months. Almost 4 months.
And what was your first job? What was your first job?
My first restaurant.
First job
Yeah.
as a chef. And what do you specialize in? Yeah? Yes? Of course, when you start new, it's different. It's a cultural shock, different world. Reserved people. Nepal is more open. But yeah, Japan is changing. They're realizing because they need people. Japan is, it's a serious problem here. The average age for Japanese is 46, 47 years old. Another fact, Japan has over 5 million vending machines. It's like one machine for 25 people. And Japan has more pets than a human being. Young people, they're choosing a career over having a kids. It's a declining population. The aging is a serious, serious problem. This is Shinsekai. It means the new world. But the truth is, this place isn't new anymore. It was built more than a century ago in 1912 with the dream of brighter future. And today, it stands as a reminder of Japan's strength, its quiet pride, and changes it still face. Japan is admired for discipline, technology, and order. But beneath the beauty, there is another story of aging isolation and new generation trying to redefine what happiness means. Japan is disciplined, polite, and quiet, but the population is shrinking extremely fast, and that's a major concern for the country. And the youth is still searching for its purpose. There are over 800,000 people dying each year because of aging. Over 30% of the population is 65 years old. Japan is beautiful, it's a futuristic, it's innovative, it's a tech leading giant. It's got so much to do, but the aging population is a major concern. In some cities, there are more pets than children. There are over 5 million vending machines in the country. That's like one vending machine for 25 people. Tonight, I've learned the modern day is not about skyscrapers and robots. It's about connection. It's about respecting one another. It's about learning and caring for one another. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what's your favorite thing about Japan. I'm heading to Tokyo tomorrow, but tonight, Osaka stole my soul. Look after yourself, be kind to one another. See you in the next video. Peace. Okini. Konnichiwa. Arigato from Osaka.